I've been affected deeply by the flood that occurred August 4th, 2025. Most of my plant crops, cassava, corn, and okra were washed off. So I have to start afresh. I want to appreciate ActionAid for giving us 70,000 because it will help a lot in getting more farm produce to plant and to cover even some of the expenses we've lost. The first thing I'm going to use the money to do is to get farm seed, like the okra, corn seed to plant, because I have to wait all this while because of the rain. I've been waiting for the rain to stop before I can go back and continue farming.
This cash is going to support us so much because one, we can use the money to buy seeds and replant again. We can use the money and start little something like business to support our families. So there's many ways, even to call job to help us and do our farm, can help us to start our farm again.
The majority of my farm was flushed away. My vegetable farm and pepper and tomato farm was flushed away. With this 70,000 now, I'll be able to buy my seed and replant for the place that the flood are flushed away.
70,000 naira tí wọ́n fẹ́ fún wa nísìn. Ó tẹ́ mi lọ́rùn torí pé kí ni ó máa ṣe díẹ̀, á ti ẹ̀ bá mi san díẹ̀ nínú gbèsè mi tí mo ti jẹ sílẹ̀ because gbogbo ẹja tó ti lọ, ẹja tó kù tí mo bá nínú pond mi kò tó nǹkan kan. So 70,000 yẹn á ti ẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ díẹ̀ nínú àwọn gbèsè tí mo ní tí àwọn èèyàn tó ń sìn mí because ẹja owó ló ń jẹ. Tí ọmọ èèyàn bá jẹun, ẹja gbọ́dọ̀ jẹun, bó jẹ́ gbèsè ló máa fi nọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀ tó máa dẹ̀ ta tó máa san gbèsè ẹ̀. So 70,000 yẹn mo dúpẹ́ gan, inú mi dùn torí á ti ẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ díẹ̀, á san díẹ̀ nínú gbèsè mi.